Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. Believe in yourself. You are braver than you think, more talented than you know, and capable of more than you imagine. Live the life of your dreams. Be brave enough to live the life of your dreams according to your vision and purpose instead of the expectations and opinions of others. It's only after you've stepped outside your comfort zone that you begin to change, grow, and transform. More smiling, less worrying, more compassion, less judgment, more blessed, less stress, more love, less hate. Success is not how the high you have climbed, but how you make a positive difference to the world. Pursue what catches your heart, not what catches your eyes. Keep going. Your hardest times often lead to the greatest moments of your life. Keep going. Tough situations build strong people in the end. It's not the load that breaks you down, it's the way you carry it. Start each day with a positive thought and a grateful heart. Be grateful for what you already have while you pursue your goals. If you aren't grateful for what you already have, what makes you think you would be happy with more? Life is about accepting the challenges along the way, choosing to keep moving forward and savoring the journey. When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. Great things happen to those who don't stop believing, trying, learning, and being grateful. Never lose hope. Storms make people stronger and never last forever. Be brave to stand for what you believe in, even if you stand alone. Do not fear failure, but rather fear not trying. Do you want to know who you are? Don't ask. Act. Action will delineate and define you. Nothing in the world is ever completely wrong. Even a stopped clock is right twice a day. You never change your life until you step out of your comfort zone. Change begins at the end of your comfort zone. Do not let the memories of your past limit the potential of your future. There are no limits to what you can achieve on your journey through life except in your mind. Let the improvement of yourself keep you so busy that you have no time to criticize others. Of course, motivation is not permanent, but then neither is bathing, but it is something. You should do it on a regular basis. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Believe in your infinite potential. Your only limitations are those you set upon yourself. The only thing standing between you and your goal is the bullshit story you keep telling yourself as to why you can't achieve it. Be brave and take risks. You need to have faith in yourself. Be brave and take risks. You don't have to have it all figured out to move forward. No matter how old you are now, you are never too young or too old for success, or going after what you want. Here's a short list of people who accomplish edgy things at different ages. 1. Helen Keller. At the age of 19 months, became deaf and blind, but that didn't stop her. She was the first deaf and blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. Mozart was already competent on keyboard and violin. He composed from the age of 5. 3. Shirley Temple was 6 when she became a movie star on Bright Eyes for Anne Frank, was 12 when she wrote the Diary of Anne Frank. 5. Magnus Carlsen became a chess grandmaster at the age of 13. 6. Nadia Comaneci was a gymnast from Romania that scored 7 perfect, 10.0 and won 3 gold medals at the Olympics at age 14. 7. Tenzin Gyatso was formally recognized as the 14th Dalai Lama in November 1950 at the age of 15. 8. Pelé, a soccer superstar, was 17 years old when he won the World Cup in 1958 with Brazil. 9. Elvis was a superstar by age 19. 10. John Lennon was 20 years and Paul McCartney was 18 when the Beatles had their first concert in 1961. 11. Jesse Owens was 22 when he won for gold medals in Berlin. 1936.1 to Beethoven was a piano virtuoso by age 23. 13. Isaac Newton wrote Philosophy Naturalis Principia Mathematica at age 24. 14. Roger Bannister aged 5 when he broke the 4-minute mile record. 15. Albert Einstein was 26 when he wrote the theory of relativity. 16. Lance E. Armstrong was 27 when he won the Tour de France. 17. Michelangelo created 2 of the greatest sculptures, David and Tita, by age 28. 18. Alexander the Great, by age 29, had created one of the largest empires of the ancient world. 19. J.K. Rowling was 30 years old when she finished the first manuscript of Harry Potter. 20. Amelia Earhart was 31 years old when she became the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean. 21. Oprah was 32 when she started her talk show, which has become the highest-rated program of its kind. 22. Edmund Hillary was 33 when he became the first man to reach Mount Everest. 23. Martin Luther King Jr. was 34 when he wrote the speech, I Have a Dream. 24. Marie Curie was 35 years old when she got nominated for a Nobel Prize in Physics. 25. The Wright brothers, Orville 30 to Ann Wilbur 36, invented and built the world's first successful airplane, and making the first controlled, powered, and sustained heavier-than-air human flight. 26. Vincent van Gogh was 37 when he died, virtually unknown, yet his paintings today are worth millions. 27. Neil Armstrong was 38 when he became the first man to set foot in the moon. 28. Mark Twain was 40 when he wrote The Adventures of Tom Sawyer and 49 years old when he wrote Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. 29 Christopher Columbus was 41 when he discovered the Americas. 30 Rosa Parks was 42 when she refused to obey the bus driver's order to give up her seat to make room for white passenger. 31 John F. Kennedy was 43 years old when he became President of the United States. 30 to Henry Ford was 45 when the Ford T came out. 33 Suzanne Collins was 46 when she wrote The Hunger Games. 30 for Charles Darwin was 50 years old when his book on the origin of species came out. 35 Leonardo da Vinci was 51 years old when he painted the Mona Lisa. 36 Abraham Lincoln was 52 when he became president. 37 Ray Kroc was 53 and he bought the McDonald's franchise and took it to unprecedented levels. 38 Dr. Seuss was 54 when he wrote The Cat in the Hat. 40 Chesley Sully Sullenberger 3 was 57 years old when he successfully ditched U.S. Airways Flight 1549 in the Hudson River in 2009. All of the 155 passengers aboard the aircraft survived. 41 Colonel Harlan Sanders was 61 when he started the KFC franchise. 40 to J.R. Tolkien was 62 when The Lord of the Ring books came out. 43 Ronald Reagan was 69 when he became President of the U.S. 40 for Jack LaLanne at age 70 handcuffed, shackled, towed 70 rowboats. 45 Nelson Mandela was 76 when he became president. Surround yourself with people who will believe in your dreams. Surround yourself with people who believe in your dreams. Encourage your ideas, support your ambitions, and bring out the best in you. Once you realize you deserve a bright future, letting go of your dark past is the best choice you will ever make. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.